Today we are going to check out 50 creative and amazing uses for EMT conduit. Conduit is an inexpensive metal pipe that you can find at your local hardware store. Normally it's used by electricians. These builds prove that it's an amazing DIY building material as well. All the projects and build ideas have been posted in the community within the last year by the makers themselves, and there are some really cool ones. Links to additional details about each build will be down in the description. Let's check them out. If you like those builds and you want to see more, please consider subscribing. We love sharing creative ways to use ordinary materials so you can finish your DIY project. We have a weekly series where we go over builds like this, and we even have an ebook where you can see even more things built with EMT conduit. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time.